Hello guys, hello, welcome everyone. I welcome you all to this Unacademy platform where we are solving important MCQs. So all those who are present, they can type in the comment box and let me know. I welcome you all to this session here on Unacademy for the CSIR NET Life Science Examination, and we are solving important MCQ session. Myself Himanshu Yadav. So I welcome you all to this session. ऑल दोज हु आर प्रेजेंट, जो भी लोग आ गए हैं यहाँ पर वो अपने को बताएं. दे कैन टाइप इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एंड लेट मी नो दैट हु ऑल आर ऑनलाइन. आई वेलकम यू, वेलकम एवरीबॉडी. So let's start today's session. Now before we start, I would like to mention that you need to go to the Google Play Store where you will be finding the Unacademy Learning app. You need to install the Unacademy Learning app and you need to select your goal and you need to log in. Now selecting your goal, you need to select CSIR UGC NET. Shiva Krishna S, good morning or good afternoon, we can say now. So you need to select CSIR UGC NET category in which you will be getting access to various courses, free courses by educators, and there are also paid courses, so for which you need to get the subscription. So you can get subscription for CSIR UGC NET for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. I would suggest that you get a subscription for 12 months to 24 months because it goes for a year long and a 2-year process, so you get a lot of time to interact with the educators. You get to understand their teaching methodology and you develop a sense for the examination, that how things are going on, कैसे चीज़ें मूव करेंगी. आपको अच्छे से ज़्यादा समय मिलेगा इंटरेक्ट करने का और आप लाभ उठा पाएंगे इनके कोर्सेज का. So you can use my code HY10. So if you take the subscription for 12 months, that is 11,550. So you'll get a 10% discount. So the entire course will be coming to 10,395. So you need to apply this code and you need to select the payment method. You can pay either by card, debit card, credit, or by EMI. These EMI are no cost EMI, and you can either pay by net banking. So these are all the options that are available to you. And इसके साथ ही साथ हम लोग YouTube पे लाइव क्लासेस भी ले रहे हैं जो कि फ्री होंगी. You can attend all these classes, and guys, please like and share and subscribe these sessions on YouTube so that maximum people can take the benefit of the classes. So let's begin today's session with the first question. So this question is showing that which one of the following statements on nucleic acid is not true. Statement 1 says the conformation of ribose in DNA is alpha 2 prime deoxy deribofuranose. Option 2 says hydrolysis of RNA takes place under alkaline conditions unlike DNA, as the 2 prime hydroxyl in RNA acts as a nucleophile in an intermolecular displacement. Option 3 says DNA can occur in three dimensional form. In different three-dimensional form. And in DNA, deamination of cytosine to uracil can occur in a non-enzymatic manner. So all those who are present, जो भी लोग यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं, अपने ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए और ऑप्शन को टाइप करिए. मैं आपको समय देता हूँ 2 मिनट का. इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़िए, क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है, क्वेश्चन क्या चाह रहा है। आपको नॉट ट्रू वाला स्टेटमेंट निकालना है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द न्यूक्लिक एसिड इज नॉट ट्रू। तो आप लोग क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए। Which of the following statements on nucleic acid is not true? Statement 1 says the conformation of ribose in DNA is alpha 2 prime deoxy deribofuranose. Option 2 says hydrolysis of RNA takes place under alkaline condition unlike DNA, as the 2 prime hydroxyl in RNA acts as a nucleophile in an intermolecular displacement. Option 3 says DNA can occur in three-dimensional form. In DNA, deamination of cytosine to uracil can occur in a non-enzymatic manner. So let's see what is the correct option. Option A is the correct option, that the conformation of ribose in DNA is alpha 2 prime deoxy deribofuranose. This is a wrong statement. And in the second statement, hydrolysis of RNA takes place in an alkaline condition unlike DNA, as the 2 prime hydroxyl in RNA acts as a nucleophile in an intermolecular displacement. This is a correct statement. DNA can occur in different three-dimensional form. This is also correct statement. जैसा कि हम लोगों ने कुछ दिन पहले क्लास में हम लोग ने देखा था कि DNA, A DNA, B DNA और Z DNA, 3 different types of DNA होते हैं in three-dimensional form. So DNA can occur in different three-dimensional form. So let's see why first option is the wrong option. And the fourth option says that in a DNA, deamination of cytosine to uracil. This is the fourth option. In a DNA, deamination of cytosine to uracil can occur in a non-enzymatic manner. This is also a correct statement. So the 2 prime hydroxyl region of RNA is deprotonated under alkaline conditions, consequently attacking the nearby phosphorus group. This leaves the phosphodiester bond between two RNA molecules. Therefore, option B is correct. There are different form of 3D structure of DNA like A DNA, B DNA, and Z DNA. Therefore, option C is right. Deamination of cytosine to uracil in a DNA can indeed be enzymatic as well as non-enzymatic. Hence, option D is also correct. And the conformation of ribose is 2 prime deoxyribose, not furanose. So it is 2 prime deoxyribose. Therefore, option A is incorrect. हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे मूव करते हैं। इस क्वेश्चन को आप लोग पढ़िए। इफ वन ऑफ द टू फैटी असाइल चेन इज रिमूव फ्रॉम द फॉस्फोग्लिसराइड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस इन अ सॉल्यूशन, such phospholipids will form. Option A says liposomes. Option B says micelles. Option C says phospholipid bilayer. And option D says symmetric phospholipid bilayer. तो आप लोग को चूज करना है यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन। तो आप लोग को मैं समय दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए। और अगर ये क्वेश्चन ही कह रहा है कि अगर इफ वन ऑफ द टू फैटी असाइल चेन इज रिमूव फ्रॉम द फॉस्फोग्लिसराइड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस इन सोल्यूशन सच फॉस्फोलिपिड्स विल फॉर्म, क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? अगर वन ऑफ द टू फैटी असाइल चेन्स रिमूव कर दी जाती हैं फ्रॉम फॉस्फोग्लिसराइड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस इन अ सोल्यूशन such phospholipids will form. So you have to tell that either they will form liposome or micelles or phospholipid bilayer or symmetric phospholipid bilayer. शिखा तिवारी ऑप्शन बी। ओके, और लोग अपने ऑप्शन टाइप करिए। आप सभी लोग अपने ऑप्शन टाइप करें। जो भी स्टूडेंट्स ऑनलाइन हैं सभी लोग अपने ऑप्शन टाइप करें। शिखा तिवारी ने ऑप्शन टाइप किया है बी, बाकी लोग भी अपने ऑप्शन टाइप करें। तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन पे, ऑप्शन बी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। शिखा तिवारी आपका आंसर करेक्ट है, वेरी गुड। The structure of lipid bilayer consists of one polar head and two fatty acyl chains. Therefore, option C and D are incorrect as their formation will be hindered due to the absence of one of the fatty acyl chains. Option A, which is a vesicle-like structure, is formed when lipid bilayer is provided with energy. Hence, even liposomes will not develop as their basic structure also requires two fatty acyl chains. With the rule of elimination, option B is the answer. The following figure, so therefore it can be seen that a single fatty acyl chain can only form micelles. So micelle formation will be there. So option B or option 2 is correct. This is the correct option. Option B is correct. Let's move to the next question. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Which one of the following statement is not correct? क्वेश्चन को केयरफुली पढ़िएगा, यहाँ पे नॉट करेक्ट बोल रहा है. So first option says that together with proteins, rRNA provides a site for polypeptide synthesis. Together with proteins, rRNA provides a site for polypeptide synthesis. Option 2 says all DNA molecules are unbranched polymers of nucleotides. Option C says DNA synthesized in 5' to 3' direction, whereas RNA synthesis occurs in 3' to 5' direction. And option 4 says a tRNA anticodon may pair with more than one codon. So आप लोग को मैं 2 मिनट का समय दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए और करेक्ट ऑप्शन पे आप लोग आइए. तो पहला ऑप्शन कह रहा है टुगेदर विद प्रोटीन्स आर आरएनए राइबोसोमल आरएनए प्रोवाइड अ साइट फॉर पॉलीपेप्टाइड सिंथेसिस. Option 2 says all DNA molecules are unbranched polymer of nucleotides. DNA is synthesized in 5' to 3' direction, whereas RNA synthesis occurs in 3' to 5' direction. And option 4 says a tRNA anticodon may pair with more than one codon. So type your correct answer in the option box. शिखा तिवारी ने बोला कि ऑप्शन 2, all DNA molecules are unbranched polymer of nucleotides. So let's see what is the correct option. Option C is incorrect. So DNA is synthesized in 5 prime to 3 prime, whereas RNA synthesis occurs in 3 prime to 5 prime direction. This option is not correct. So हम लोग देखते हैं राइबोसोम्स जो कि rRNA प्लस प्रोटीन्स होते हैं. दे आर वाइटल फॉर ट्रांसलेशन प्रोसेस वेयर न्यू पॉलीपेप्टाइड्स आर फॉर्म. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. शिखा तिवारी, आपको ऑप्शन गलत था. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. DNA is a helical molecule formed by unit of nucleotides. No branches are created from these units. Therefore, option B is true. Due to wobbling base pairing at third codon on mRNA and first anticodon on tRNA, only first two nucleotides will be read by the same tRNA, thereby making a tRNA anticodon to pair with more than one codon. Hence, option D is also correct. And by rule of elimination, option C is incorrect, as the universal direction for synthesis of DNA and RNA both is 5 prime to 3 prime. So DNA और RNA दोनों की सिंथेसिस 5 प्राइम और 3 प्राइम डायरेक्शन में होती है. ऑप्शन 3 जो था, ऑप्शन सी जो था, वो इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन था. सो दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन. दिस इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट and option D is correct. Option C is the wrong answer. So C is the wrong answer. C is not correct. तो अगर आप लोगों को कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए. आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर योर क्वेरीज. आप लोग एक बार एक्सप्लेनेशन को फिर से देख लीजिए. Let's move to the next question. Viruses adopt different strategies to suppress immune response of the host. Which one of the following statement is not correct? So option A says human immunodeficiency virus destroys CD4 T cells. Option B says Epstein-Barr virus produces homologue of human IL-10. Epstein-Barr virus produces homologue of human IL-10. Human influenza virus directly infects CD8 T cells, and human cytomegalovirus establishes latent infection in bone marrow stem cell. तो आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़िए और बताइए कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है. सभी लोग जो भी ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंट हैं, यू कैन टाइप योर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. आपको बताना है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट. So human immunodeficiency virus destroyed CD4 T cell. This is the correct option. Epstein-Barr virus produces a homologue of IL-10. This is also a correct option. The human cytomegalovirus establishes latent infection in bone marrow stem cell. This is also a correct option. Human influenza virus directly infects CD8 T cells. Now this is an extreme statement, and this one is the wrong statement. So option C is incorrect. Option C or option third is incorrect. So let's see how. So upon using the replication machinery of the host cell for its multiplication, HIV ends up killing the CD4 T cell by swelling and bursting of the cell. Hence option A is correct. Epstein-Barr virus produces homologue of IL-10, which is known to escape the antiviral response of the host. Thus it maintains the latency. Hence option B is also accurate. The latency of cytomegalovirus is observed in the progenitor hematopoietic cells, where there will be no viral replication. However, viral DNA can be tested by PCR derived from bone marrow stem cell. Hence option D is also correct. Human influenza virus directly infects natural killer cell, not CD8 T cell, making option C not making option C is not wrong. Making option C is wrong. So option C is incorrect option. So let's move to the next question. Which one of the following inactivates serine threonine protein kinase mTOR related to cell growth in mammalian systems? So option A says rifamycin, option B says rapamycin, option C says erythromycin, and option D says chloramphenicol. So which one of the following inactivates the serine threonine protein kinase mTOR related to cell growth in mammalian system? Option A says rifamycin, option B says rapamycin, option C says erythromycin, and option D says chloramphenicol. तो शिखा तिवारी ने ऑप्शन टाइप किया rapamycin. और भी लोग जितने भी लोग प्रेजेंट हैं सभी लोग अपने ऑप्शन टाइप करिए कमेंट बॉक्स में, जिससे कि मेरे को पता चल पाए विच इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो आप लोग ने चूज़ किया है. I am giving you a time of 2 minutes to think and type the answer in the comment box.